is actually a very interesting map, if you look at it another way. This is a mountain range here. And let me just go through the statistics again about who these refugees are, because it really is important. And it's particularly important, in America, which there is this sort of like backlash of refugees as well. The elementary form of government that Britain has is a presidential government like the United States has, which means that there's a lot of power invested in the president, who, by the way, was the guy behind the change in the Constitution. And so therefore, when we see this parity for women in Parliament, that might be true right now, but Parliament has been pretty much defanged. It's really not as important as it was at the beginning. In 2019, the Prime Minister of the UAE decreed that there would be equal pay for work of men and women. This is going to be something that when you teach this stuff, it's going to be, number one, it's going to be delicate to do, and number two, it's going to be difficult to get your students to